What's up, guys? It's your girl here, Chocolate Job, and I'm here with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, what's up? Thank you guys for the new subscribers and commenting on my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. It motivates me to do more and to keep doing this because this ain't easy. So I'm gonna do a wig review and a wet look that I did this already, but you know how phone be acting up and like you be, so I have to do this wet look again. So yeah, so this wig that I got is from AliExpress, um it is a lace bob wig. I got it in a 16-inch. That's how it looks. Let me show you the back. So this hair doesn't shed like crazy, so it's curly hair, it's gonna shed regardless. It have two cones in the front and a cone in the back, and I'm very sad it doesn't have the elastics, like say you call them the elastic straps that you put in the wig, but it doesn't have it. It do have it, but it's really short, so it's like there's no point. Like, so I had to use the cones, even though I don't like using the cones, but I did. You could put some baby's hair in it, of course. Me, I don't do baby hairs. I did not pluck it. I only put concealer, and that's it. And yeah, what else I can really say? Oh my god, yes, I did notice I finally wear this wig yesterday, and I wet it and stuff like that. Mostly like when you have like curly hair, when you do wet it, you're finessing everything, it looks very nice and juicy. Then like the middle of the day, it gets big and puffy. This one, it doesn't, and I was like, your girl was shined. I was like, oh, okay. So it did not get puffy at all. It the ends do not get dry. It looks just like this. It stays just like that. So I was really like, that's what's up. I really liked that. It's very soft. That's pretty much it. Like, there's nothing I could say about this wig, but so far I like it. So I'm gonna do the wet look that I already did already, but I'm gonna do it again. It's okay. So I'm not gonna talk to this video. I'm just gonna use water and conditioner and mousse. Make sure you subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, make sure you comment. So let's go. Hopefully I don't be on your own.